In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily log into your Shopify account. This is a simple process, and I'll walk you through it step by step to make sure you can access your Shopify admin dashboard without any hassle. Let's dive right in. To get started, we'll first need to visit the Shopify login page. Open up your favorite web browser and type in the URL www.shopify.com/login. Once you hit enter, you'll be taken to the Shopify login screen. Now, here's where you have a few options for signing in. Shopify provides several convenient methods to access your account. You can choose to sign in using your email, Apple ID, Facebook account, or a passkey. For today, we're going to focus on signing in with a Gmail account, since that's the method we've selected for this demonstration. If your Shopify store is registered under a specific email, let's go ahead and input that email address, the one linked to your Shopify store. Simply type it into the provided email field. Once that's entered, look for the button labeled Continue with Email and give it a click. At this point, you might be prompted to enter your password. That step really depends on whether you're already logged into your Gmail account on this device. If you're already logged in, Shopify will smartly redirect you to Gmail instead for automatic login. It's just a seamless way to ensure you're getting connected quickly. When you're redirected, click on the email that is associated with your Shopify store. This action will automatically sign you into Shopify without needing to enter your password manually, streamlining the process for you. And there you have it. You'll find yourself on your Shopify admin dashboard. From this central hub, you have the flexibility to manage every aspect of your store. Whether it's handling products, tracking orders, customizing themes, or adjusting settings, this dashboard is your control center for all things Shopify. And that wraps up our walkthrough for today. Logging into Shopify is designed to be straightforward so you can focus on running your online business. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to check back for more tutorials to help you optimize your Shopify experience.